Hi, friends! Let's see what's hiding under the scoops. It's the letter A. A. It goes here. Letter A. A is for apple. It's the letter B. B. It goes here. Letter B. It's the letter C. C. It goes here. Letter C. It's the letter D. D. It goes here. Letter D. It's the letter E. E. It goes here. Letter E. It's the letter F. F. It goes here. Letter F. F is for fish. A, B, C, D, E, F. We found letters A to F. Let's find more letters.